Drivers caught without a seatbelt between now and May 31st could be fined up to $200. It's part of the Texas Department of Transportation's Click It or Ticket campaign. In 2014, more than 2,000 crashes happened in Texas in which unrestrained people died or had serious injury. Experts say wearing a seatbelt helps people from being ejected in a crash and increases survival chances by 45%.
All the numbers, all the data, statistics, everything shows that buckling up is the safer route when you're in your vehicle.
The Click It or Ticket campaign, combined with law enforcement efforts, has been known to move millions to use seatbelts. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has estimated that since its inception, Click It or Ticket has resulted in over 4,000 fewer traffic crashes.